Delhi government directs schools to implement the new school bag policy. Over 25 teachers in Karnataka test positive for COVID-19 post-school reopening. Bombay High Court stays school education minister's order on 5 junior colleges. Government schools across Ludhiana told to achieve 100% results. Schools and colleges in Rajasthan to reopen from Jan 18th. Government school in Ludhiana shut as the officiating in charge tests positive. Schools reopen in Nashik, 62 teachers test positive for COVID-19. Odisha to conduct health checkups in schools and colleges for COVID-19. Government school students in Telangana make zero waste sanitary napkins. Delhi government directs schools to sensitize parents on the consequences of underage driving. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN and the Daily Stories. The Delhi government has asked schools to implement the new bag policy to reduce the weight of school bags and the burden on students. The Ministry of Education had notified the new school bag policy last month, which is in line with the new national education policy. From no textbooks for pre-primary classes to single notebook for classes 1 and 2, frequent checks of school bags to ensure students do not carry heavy weight, informing the students and parents regarding appropriate kind of school bags and encouraging students to use both straps of bags are amongst the recommendations made by the government. Just 5 days after schools and colleges reopened in Karnataka, a number of teachers have tested positive for COVID-19. In Belagavi district alone, 18 teachers have tested positive for COVID-19. The government had mandated that all teaching and non-teaching staff must undergo a COVID-19 test before educational institutions reopen. The results of these tests done have started coming in, with several teachers themselves testing COVID-19 positive. The DC of Belagavi, MG Hiremat, on Tuesday said that 4 teachers from Chikodi and 18 from Belagavi have tested positive for the virus. The Bombay High Court on Monday restrained Maharashtra School Education Department from granting final permission to 5 junior colleges run by Rao Education Trust in Mumbai, Thane and Navi Mumbai. The division bench of Chief Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice Girish Kulkarni also restrained the department from acting on provisional index number granted to the trust by Maharashtra State Board for Secondary and Higher Secondary Education. The order came in on interim application filed by Manju Jaiswal, a city resident and trustee of an educational trust, seeking stay to an order passed by School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad on December 18, 2020, granting Rao Education Trust time till academic year 2021-22 to comply with the infrastructural requirements for junior colleges. Government schools across Ludhiana have been directed to achieve 100% results and pay extra attention to students of classes 10 and 12 who have scored below 40% in exams conducted in December last year. Education Secretary Krishan Kumar issued these instructions under Mission Shat Parishat 2021 while addressing education officers, principals, teachers through the Receive Only terminal. He directed school teachers and heads to focus on 3 objectives: 100% results in class 10 and 12, concentrate on students scoring above 90% to make them featured in the provisional merit list, and average students should score above 60% marks in the finals. The educational institutions in Rajasthan, including schools, colleges, universities and coaching centres, will reopen from January 18th. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot made this announcement after holding a review meeting on the COVID-19 situation in the state with officials on Tuesday. Gehlot said that due to the process of COVID-19 vaccination, medical colleges, dental colleges, nursing colleges and paramedical colleges have also been instructed to open from 11th January. He said that 50% attendance of the total capacity in each class will be on the first day. The remaining 50% will be on the second day in all the educational institutions. Government High School in Ludhiana, Lakkar Bazaar was shut down on Tuesday after a science teacher, who is also its officiating in charge, tested positive for COVID-19. As the post of the headmaster has been lying vacant for the last few months, the principal of Government Senior Secondary School Multipurpose Navdeep Romana has been handling the additional charges of the school apart from the science teacher. After the teacher informed Romana about her COVID test result on Monday night, the latter informed the health department, who asked the teacher to remain in home quarantine for 14 days. Schools for students studying in classes 9 and 12 reopened in Nashik district of Maharashtra on Monday, even as 62 teachers tested positive for COVID-19 before resuming duties, as reported by the officials. Out of the 1,324 schools in rural Nashik and city limits, as many as 846 started classes for students of standard 9 to 12, said a release from the district administration. About 1,21,579 students attended schools, which were shut since March end last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent lockdown. The Odisha government will undertake regular health checkups in educational institutions across the state for COVID-19 after reopening of schools and colleges, said an official on Tuesday. The Health and Family Welfare Department would undertake these health checkups after opening of schools in January 8th and colleges, universities on January 11th. The Chief Secretary S.C. Mahapatra had earlier asked the department to conduct frequent health checkups and in educational institutions and hostels as a preventive measure against any possible large breakout of the pandemic. He said that the head of the education institutions would remain in constant touch with local health workers and doctors of their localities and report any suspect case immediately. In an attempt to provide an organic solution to sanitary waste, the students of a government school in Yadadri, Bhuvanagiri district of Telangana have come up with the idea of zero waste sanitary napkins named Stree Raksha pads. The students of Zilla Parishad High School, Mulkapalli, have made these organic sanitary pads using water, hyacinth, fenugreek, turmeric, neem and sabja seeds. Swati, a student of ZPHS Mulkapalli, said the pads available in the market don't decompose easily. To find a solution to the prevailing sanitary waste issue, we have come up with an idea and have created sanitary pads from organic materials. The Delhi government has directed all schools in the national capital to sensitize parents against driving of vehicles by underage students and about its legal consequences. Schools have also been asked to ensure that no student who is underage be allowed to commute to and from school driving any vehicle. The Directorate of Education, in a letter to school principals, said incidents of offences by juveniles while driving vehicles are on the rise. In this context, attention of all parents and heads of schools of Delhi is brought to the section of 19. The Directorate of Education, in a letter to school principals, said incidents of offences by juveniles while driving vehicles are on the rise. In this context, attention of all parents and heads of schools of Delhi is brought to the section of 199A and 199B of the Motor Vehicles Act 2019. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.benn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.